Hello everyone. Have you ever wanted to ship using only your voice? Well, today, I have the very exciting privilege of educating you on the most cutting-edge method of shipping developed by our amazing team at ShippingEasy, our Alexa integration. Today, we're going to focus specifically on getting information about your orders, how many you received, how many you shipped, that kind of thing. The really cool part is, once it's configured, you don't even need to open the skill to ask about your ShippingEasy account. Alexa, ask ShippingEasy how many orders I received today.
You received 11 orders today.
Alexa, ask ShippingEasy how many orders I received yesterday.
You received 115 orders yesterday.
Simple, right? One might even say, easy. You can use this same question with just about any time frame. This week, this month, this quarter, last week, last month, last quarter. Alexa, ask ShippingEasy how many orders I shipped today.
You shipped 12 orders today.
So now that we have some idea of the parameters we're working with, let's see it in action. Alexa, open ShippingEasy.
Welcome back, Michael. You have 25 orders waiting to be fulfilled and have shipped 12 orders so far today. What else can I help you with?
25 orders. I wonder if I have enough postage to cover that. Alexa, what is my postage balance?
Your postage balance is $95.20. What else can I help you with?
I don't think that'll be enough. Alexa, purchase $10 worth of postage.
You would like to purchase $10 of postage. Is that correct?
Yes.
$10 of postage has been purchased and added to your account.
Alexa, print a pick list for all orders.
I can print pick lists for 25 orders. Would you like to continue?
Yes.
25 orders have been queued to print pick lists to ready to print. What else can I help you with?
All right, I've got my products picked. Let's get to shipping. Alexa, what is my oldest order?
25 of your orders are ready with rate quotes. Your oldest order was placed 4 days ago for Champ Golf Tees. The recipient is Jack Ship in Austin, Texas. What else can I help you with?
Great. Alexa, print a packing slip for that order.
The packing slip for order 160997711 has been sent to ready to print. What else can I help you with?
What's the rate quote?
It will cost $3.05 to ship this order via USPS using first-class mail and small envelope. What else can I help you with?
Great, ship it.
You would like to purchase a label for $3.05. Is that correct?
Yes, please.
A label for order 160997711 has been purchased for $3.05. To cancel purchase, see home card. What else can I help you with?
You know what? Alexa, print labels for all orders with a rate quote.
You have 24 eligible orders that can be shipped for $74.53. You would like to ship all these orders?
Yes, please.
24 orders have had labels purchased for a cost of $74.53. To cancel purchase, see home card.
What's my next order?
You don't have any open orders. Try again later. What else can I help you with?
Thanks to Alexa, shipping has never been easier. See how to get your voice-activated shipping set up with ShippingEasy today by clicking Help Center in the bottom right and searching for Alexa. Click the second result, titled Getting Started with Alexa for ShippingEasy, and this little square opens it in a new tab, and there you go. Thanks for watching, everyone.